Crunchified Clean friends, welcome. Today I want to give some business advice to other professional cleaners. I've read, and I still read, posts or stories from cleaners giving other cleaners advice where you should use toilet bowl cleaner to clean a tub. Or I even see videos where people are putting toilet bowl cleaner down a tub wall or shower wall, or they use oven cleaner to clean a tub. I don't know what the fascination with using these caustic chemicals on tubs is about, but the point behind that is, as a professional cleaner, and even if you're not a professional cleaner, if you're just using it for home, please do not use chemicals on surfaces that it's not intended to be used on. First off, you're going to ruin the surface, you're going to damage it. Toilet bowl cleaner, oven cleaner, very caustic, very toxic, very strong chemicals. It will ruin the surface. It may clean whatever it is that you're trying to clean, but you're going to ruin the surface. Now, if you're a professional cleaner and you have liability insurance is so that it covers if you were to ruin or damage someone's property. You have your insurance, you file a claim, and they cover that. Now, if you ruin their surface using a product that's not supposed to be used on that, like, for example, toilet bowl cleaner, and you ruin their tub or their shower or their glass or whatever, your insurance company will investigate your claim. They'll want to know, how did you ruin it? What did you use on it? Why do I have to pay all this money because you ruined someone's tub? They want to know. Just like any insurance claim, they're going to investigate. If they find out you used an improper solution on it and you're at fault for causing the damage, they most likely will not cover your claim, and then you have to pay out of pocket. Not only that, they can drop you for a fraudulent claim because you're trying to file a claim on something that you were at fault for doing because you used the wrong product to clean a surface. For example, if I just happen to use bleach to dust a wooden curio cabinet and I just ruined this wooden cabinet, I'm not going to be covered for that because I should not be using bleach on wood. So you run the risk of your insurance company dropping you and then making it harder for you to get insurance with other companies because they're going to see that you got dropped and they're going to want to know why. And there's a way that they can figure that out or find out from your prior insurance company. And then you're going to have to pay out of pocket what you just damaged. So don't try to have a shortcut or like a TikTok hack and use the wrong product on the surface because you're going to end up ruining it and it's going to ruin your business. So that's my advice for today. Stay crunchified clean.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-oily cleaning tips. Make sure your notifications is turned on so that you'll see when I post a new video, and feel free to comment with any questions or concerns that you may have so that we can interact, because I love to share. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.